integration.
Yeah, no, totally agree. We've got sandboxes on our list. It's a little further down, but I think it's a good time to talk about it, is that having a sandbox strategy is really important for governance. People think about a sandbox strategy and they start thinking now about continuous integration. And I'd say, don't worry about implementing an entire full-blown solution right out of the box. Start small, start with managing things simple like sandboxes. Who's working in what sandbox? Do you have a policy, and can you enforce a policy that nobody makes a change for the first time directly in production, unless it's a god-awful emergency? How are you controlling that? What we do at OpFocus is everybody who is going to be making a change that they want to have go to production has their own sandbox, and they need to keep that sandbox in sync with what is in production. You make your changes in your sandbox, you promote to an integration sandbox that everybody promotes to, so all the changes are integrated together. Some testing happens there. And then typically you'll promote from that kind of a sandbox to a staging sandbox, where things go right before they're due to get deployed. Final user acceptance testing happens there. And that's when you say, we're going to deploy, whether it's through change sets or CI or through any other mechanism, we're going to deploy just from staging to production. And then we'll let everyone know so they can filter those changes back down into their own sandboxes.